So the first thing you do is create a place that things will be organized in the file folder structure. So I know you're on a Mac. I'm on a Windows computer at the moment, but the process will be the same. Open your Finder window. For me, it's File Explorer, same thing. Just go to your documents and look for Studio One. And songs. That'll be set up the way you have it in there. But then we want to create a new folder. And let's name it by the band name. Alright, so there's that. Inside of there, I guess we'll keep it organized. We'll call it the album name. Whatever that is. And inside of album name, on your end, let's do production. Alright, so we have this file structure. Inside of Studio One, so documents, Studio One, songs, band name, album name, production. So you have this. This is where you're going to do things. Open Studio One. Alright. So when you finally get it open, you're going to join. And, you'll select your workspace or collaboration, whatever. And let's just pick a song. It doesn't matter. They're all here. Burn It Down's at the top. Let's go Burn It Down. So we'll select. We have a lock on the folder now. Remote location. All this stuff is good. You can see details here if you like. So let's start. Alright, so then a new Finder window will open when the download is complete, but do not open here. Or, I should say, look where it puts it. Look at your file structure, Must have already had one in there, so it called it 2. But we want to move this to the right place. So let's come back one level. So we're in the song folder. The song folder is in, or the actual song. We're in the actual song, Burn It Down. But the Burn It Down is in the songs folder. So let's go back to songs and look for that Burn It Down too. There it is. We want to right click or control click on the Mac and say cut, not copy, cut. Then we want to, we want to navigate to that folder structure we just created. So remember, that was in Documents, Studio One, and Songs, the band name, the album name, and production. Then we want to paste it here. There we go. It has whatever, it says got the 2 there. That's just because I already had one. I should have. But anyway, there it is. But this is the one now we want to open it from here. So let's go ahead. And now we have it. Now you'll notice that we got the drums, bass, rhythm, and leads. Let me go ahead and close the mixer. What we're interested in now is the lyrics. So I should already have them open, but if you don't, let's say you don't have anything open, whatever. Just come to this little menu, look for lyrics. It's always good to have that arranger track open too, so you can see where things are. In the lyric view, let's say we have verse 1. We're going to start here. I'm going to go to the verse 1. And, you could double click, and it's got a lyric here. Let's say lyric 1. Oops. Lyric 1. So now we have lyric 1, and you can click on this L as well, and you can see it there. Maybe lyric 1 is longer than just those words. All right, good. Now let's go to the next verse and add some more lyrics here. Now what's cool about this, let's go over to way down here in the chorus. I know there's choruses over here, but just showing you. All right, and just click out somewhere. What the hell? What's all that stuff? Anyway, so now there's lyrics in the song. Why is this important? Well, it's good to know what the lyrics are so that when Joe's singing, or if you're doing backups or whatever, I'll know what's supposed to be there so I can make sure everything's audible, coming through clear, pronounced correctly, whatever. But another big part is navigating the song. So if, you're going to tell me something like, oh, I see that was editing. I can go ahead and make the font size bigger. And then when we're recording the song and we need to move around, oh man, I need to go to that part. Let's go to lyric 1. I can just click on it and I'm there. Boom. Oh, we need to go to that chorus. Second verse. So it helps to navigate. I can see what's supposed to be there and I can make sure things are happening correctly. It makes efficiency, man, and that's what I'm all about. So so let's please get the lyric. Oh yeah, and then once this is done, this is how we would go. You wouldn't want to upload this whole song again. You would save it. I'm going to save. And instead of going into, the Sphere and uploading the whole song, check this out. Go to File, or I think in the Mac it's also File, Collaboration, and Send. And that is just going to append the file, which is exactly that's the way to go. So I'm going to hit Send. It's going to acquire the remote lock. I'm going to hit Start. And since only lyrics changed, boom, it's done. And then these are there. And you can come back later and join, or, open the same project, whatever. Oh, yeah, if I was to open this, make a change or whatever, you wouldn't want to have to download the whole song again. You would just do the File, Collaboration, and Receive. But since I'm, you'll see. But let's do this. let's have you and Joe get the lyrics going and get them in there to each of the songs. And that'll be good. All right. Thank you, sirs.